Welcome back. In this episode, let us understand what is the difference between comment and a note. In case if you have a similar problem like this, I am not able to see the vertical and the horizontal scroll bar. What you have to do is you have to go to the file, and you need to select the Excel options. You will get the Excel option and come to advanced. There is an option under display. You need to select the show horizontal and show vertical scroll bar. Select both the checkboxes and click on OK. Now the vertical and horizontal scroll bar is visible. Coming back to comment and note. Note is basically an annotation or giving an information to a user. For example, if I wanted to give an information with the note, this is the sales and this is the sales total. I can simply right click and say note. This name is coming because I have logged into my computer using this particular user ID admin. So I'll say this is the sales total. This is the note which I have added. If I wanted to edit the note, I can edit the note and add one more line. This is for 2013. Let me check it. This is for 2014 and 2015. So the note has been added here. So anybody gets this particular worksheet, they will be able to understand, okay, this particular sales is for 2014 to 2015. Comment is simply to collaborate with another user. If I wanted to add a comment, I can right click the cell and new comment. This is a criteria. I can simply add any comment based on the cell. Now it is asking me to reply. So anybody gets this particular worksheet and they don't understand what is this criteria is all about. I made some mistake. I will edit the comment. This is a criteria. So anybody gets this particular worksheet, they might reply asking what is this criteria is all about. What is the criteria? So basically you are collaborating with one of your colleague, or this particular worksheet is shared to multiple users. They can comment and collaborate asking questions. They can post the question like this and you can reply, this is for the sum if. Okay. After entering the comment, you can click on this pencil icon to edit your comment, and after editing you can save it or you can discard it. If you wanted to delete the comment, right click on the cell and delete the comment. Also you can delete the note. Simply right click on the cell and delete the note. So this way you can add a note and add a comment. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the content, please share and subscribe. Thank you and take care.